advanced dispensing technology for your high-tech applications. They offer a total solutions package for your dispensing needs. The Pro Series pumps use progressive cavity technology to precisely meter and dispense a wide variety of material types, from sensitive to highly filled thermal interface materials. Precise and continuous flow are achieved through the industry-proven progressive cavity technology, ensuring the bead dispensed is consistent and repeatable, regardless of environmental variables. The interaction of the rotor and stator provide non-pulsating flow, allowing for better results than typical gear pump or piston-style dispensers. This means more controllable and accurate beads. Easy assembly and disassembly for maintenance are ensured by the pump's simple and efficient design, reducing downtime and improving productivity. The Pro Pump PCP series is a dedicated one-component metering and dispensing system designed to handle difficult materials. The Pro Duo Pump series is an innovative two-component solution which combines precise variable ratio control with accurate flow control. This technology allows the user to control flow rate and ratio on the fly. Taeha provides the ultimate pumping solutions by combining leading-edge material feed components with proven dispensing and pumping technologies to build an all-in-one pumping solution. The Pro CP is a material feed system for supply of high viscosity 1 and 2 component materials supplied in pails and drums. They are driven by electric motors and are designed to feed material without introducing air or foreign debris into the material. High viscosity materials can be easily fed long distances and with great volumetric accuracy, thanks to the electric motors and integrated controls as opposed to traditional pneumatic drive methods. Waste is minimized as the follower plate has been developed to leave less than 1% of material in the bottom of the container. The auto air vent allows trapped air to escape and ensures that there are no air bubbles in the supplied material, even after pail changes. There are various models available for different container sizes. Consult your dealer to inquire about the feed system that meets your needs. The MFS, or Material Feeding System, takes 1 and 2 component material feed to the next level with a multitude of additional options. Continuous non-stop feed is achieved using intermediate tanks, which are fed from your container. The MFS does not require compressed air, meaning it does not require industrial safety certification. Adjustable vacuum degassing, preheating, and agitation are all available, depending on your material's unique needs. The unoccupied portion of the tanks can be held under vacuum to ensure moisture-sensitive materials are not exposed to air. This minimizes the requirement for tank cleaning and maintenance. It's designed to handle sensitive and difficult-to-handle materials and is designed to be modular to meet the needs of a wide variety of materials. The MFS is available in automatic and manual versions. The automatic version is controlled via a touchscreen, while the manual version is a more economical option while maintaining many of the features of the automatic version. Taeha also offers various controllers, Pro spray pumps, tanks, valves, vacuum dispensing equipment and accessories, and much more. End-to-end dispensing solutions have your material and application covered. Anywhere, anytime, Taeha.